Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to install Android virtual device. Few people may have Android, few people may not have Android because they may use the iOS mobiles. But if they want to create the Android application, how they are going to test it? So that Android IDE has provided us the Android virtual device so we can test our Android application in our Android virtual device. So in the previous application tutorial we have installed the Android Studio. So we are going to set up the Android virtual device now. Open your Android Studio. After opening the Android Studio, you can find something like this Android virtual device manager. Click on this. Okay guys, here is a virtual device manager. I already have created a virtual device in my case, but you may not have this virtual device in your Android Studio. So in order to create an Android virtual device in your Android Studio, click on create virtual device. Yeah, now you can select for what you're going to create your application, where you are going to create your application for TV, or you're going to create your application for variables, or you are going to create your application for phones, or maybe a tablet. Whatever the type of application you are going to create, you need to select your Android virtual device like that. Let us assume that I'm going to create an Android application for Android phone. So I'm going to select a phone called Pixel XL. You can also select the Pixel 2 XL, or maybe some other which was there in these options. So now I'm going to go with the Pixel XL. Click next. Now you may be able to see some OSs here like Oreo, Nougat, Marshmallow, Lollipop, something like that. I already have installed Oreo and Nougat in my laptop. You may not have these things, so you need to download by clicking on the download. If you once click on the download, the Android Studio will automatically install the Android virtual device in your laptop. After that, it will refresh this area so that you can see something like this Oreo without any download as an extension here. Later, select the operating system that you would like to run in your Android virtual device and click on next and finish. Next. Okay guys, now you can see something like Pixel XL API level 26 Android virtual device here. If you want to run it, just click on the play button so your virtual device will open for you. Yeah, hello guys, this is my Android virtual device. So you can see something right here right now. What are the applications that I am going to design? It will run here in this my virtual device. So I can see how my app is going to run. What are the features that I need to add to my application? What are the features that I need to remove from my application? What is my UI and how it is getting visible in my mobile? Something like good stuff that you can do this Android virtual device if you don't have your smartphone. Okay, we are going to use this Android virtual device from our next couple of tutorials. So until then, bye guys, take care.